Why are many physicians, GPs, and dietitians against low-carb or keto diets? So, unfortunately, many medical professions don't have significant knowledge about nutrition. There is simply a lack of awareness about key nutritional research, and the use of medications is often the primary treatment for disease. The medical establishment is typically not well informed about the benefits and uses of low-carb diets or other nutritional or lifestyle interventions. So if you are lacking support for your desire to experience the benefits of the keto diet, consider finding another doctor or natural health practitioner who is more knowledgeable about this approach. Now, new scientific discoveries take on average about 17 years before they are generally accepted, and unfortunately, doctors aren't typically the first to find out the good news, and the news does not reach the public. There is also a great article on this below.